Whiten your teeth with banana peels. Having beautiful white teeth isn't only about beauty, it's about health. Discolored or stained teeth can say a lot about your health. So whitening your teeth is about making a new start, and finding a solution that lasts to keep your smile beautiful. In this article we'll discuss some of the common causes of darkened, yellowed, or stained teeth, and some of the natural remedies available to you, including using banana peels to whiten your teeth without the harsh effects of chemicals. What causes teeth to stain or darken? You may be admiring somebody else's pearly white teeth, but be aware that sometimes that's based on genetics and the effects of time, as your teeth can lose their whiteness because of other outside factors, including the consumption of coffee, red wine or other colored drinks, tobacco use, poor dental hygiene, not brushing, flossing, or rinsing, consumption of sugar or other sweets, chemotherapy or radiation therapy, excess fluoride, foods containing red dyes, iron supplements, teeth and digestion. When our digestive system doesn't work like it's supposed to, especially when it includes gastric hyperacidity, then gastric acids rise to your mouth, damaging your teeth. This condition means you're more likely to suffer from gingivitis, cavities and tartar, as well as causing discoloration. If you're concerned about your dental health, keep in mind that it all begins with your diet. That diet should include fruits and vegetables, both fresh and cooked, including apples, carrots and celery, legumes, whole grains, dried fruits and seeds, banana peels to whiten your teeth. Possibly the simplest and most economic remedy available to you to whiten your teeth is the use of banana peels. And it's as simple as rubbing the inside layer of the peel against your teeth daily for about 2 minutes after your regular brush. How does it work? Because banana peels contain salicylic acid that naturally fight tartar buildup, they work beautifully on your teeth. This is also present in strawberries, which can also be rubbed against your teeth or even those dark spots on your skin. Citric acid, a potent whitener, is also present in peels. With magnesium, potassium and manganese, peels can also help remineralize and strengthen your teeth. And because peels are natural, they can't harm your teeth, where other treatments that rely on chemicals or homemade treatments often do. You should apply this treatment each night before bed. Within a week you should notice a difference, though we recommend limiting the length of this treatment to short periods every other month. Good hygiene. To prevent darkening or staining of your teeth and to ensure you have a healthy mouth, you should be conscious of your dental hygiene. So brushing your teeth well after each meal isn't enough, you should also be flossing. It's easy for residue to accumulate in between your teeth, and it's important to remove these pieces before they cause decay, the production of tartar, or inflame your gums. Think about using a dental rinse regularly, especially if you suffer from bad breath, but choose one that doesn't contain alcohol, fluoride, or other substances that can alter the pH of your mouth. Other tips. If you've been noticing some darkening in your teeth or know you are likely to suffer from staining because of your eating or hygiene habits, we recommend also trying oil rinses. Baking soda is also a whitener, but because it can damage the tooth surface, it isn't highly recommended. You should dilute it in water and brush your teeth with it only when it's moist. You can also use a homemade toothpaste, meaning you'll get a product free of toxins and aggressive chemicals. Try the following suggestions for a mouth rinse made at home that is effective. Concentrated thyme infusion. 100 mg of water with 3 drops of oregano essential oil, shake well before use. 100 mg of water with 2 tablespoons of tooth clay. 2½ parts of distilled water to 1 part of salt water.